Ah, hello again. Everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food. Does that ever happen to your house? So, what do we got? Well, tonight we're going to deal with the fact that dinner in a lot of other places is kind of just chow. And we're going to make people chow. So, let's see here. Unlike my other videos, I haven't started the onions. That's a cold pan. Yeah, I like cold pan. Let's put on some heat. Exciting stuff, right? Now, we are going to start with some very common ingredients here. The other day I bought a chicken at a big box store and boiled it down for broth and had some left over. Yep. If you've seen my show, you know that when I boil down a chicken that I buy at a big box store with broth, well, for broth, there's a lot of meat in it. So I make some very meaty chicken stocks that I keep in the freezer. Oh, I said chicken stock. Happy holidays. All right. So, let's throw in a little red wine. I want the alcohol to boil off. What else do I want to happen in there? This. Oh boy, that looks exciting, doesn't it? Just want to eat that right up. It's a New Mexico chili pepper, or chili pod. You buy these dried at the market. Yeah, I just rinsed it off. Wash everything. Let's go ahead and get rid of the seeds. Excuse me. Break the top off, shake the seeds out. Get a few, it won't be the end of the world. Alright. So, let's break that up in there. Okay, we are getting some seeds. It's not the end of the world. Okay. Yeah, cooking. It's that exciting, it's that easy. So, I broke it up. We are rehydrating it in some warm chicken stock and red wine that's boiling off. Yeah, this is just about the most exciting recipe you're going to see me do in a long time. Alright. So we're making beans. What kind of beans? Beans. So, let's throw in some black beans. I got a can of black beans. And I'm putting them in with the juice. Just open a can, dump it in. It is genuinely that exciting. What else have we got? Well, I got half an onion here. Rough chopped. Yeah, just cut in basically quarters. I got green bell pepper here. Let's throw that in. Yeah, this is the hardest recipe we've done in a long time. Yeah, I'm joking. A few cloves of garlic here, about 4 of them. Rough chop, not fine. And this is entirely optional. If you don't want to do it, then don't. Bacon. I have basically 3 slices of bacon here. And it's entirely optional if you choose not to put it in. Yeah, it's a really dumb, simple recipe. And you know what else I forgot to get down? Were the bay leaves. Yeah, I'm going to throw a couple of bay leaves in there too. Yeah, I kind of made this the other day for Mrs. Chef, but it wasn't as a meal. It was part of a meal. It was an excellent side dish. Okay, so some dried bay leaves. Yippee. And that's it. What we're doing at this point is basically cooking the onion. We're going to boil the onion down in that bean juice. We're going to boil the bacon into that bean juice as well. The bell pepper, the garlic, and the herbs, and the rehydrated chili pepper. Ta-da! See, the trick is that we wanted that bean flavor. You know, the flavor you get when you slow cook some beans from scratch, the dry beans. Then you cook those up with chili pepper and onion. But I use canned beans. So we took all the broth from the beans, threw that in there. So that's it. Dinner. Serve that up with some rice, straight from the rice cooker, maybe some tortillas if you're feeling adventurous. And that's it. It's chicken stock, red wine, chicken stock, red wine, dried New Mexico chili, garlic, onions, bell pepper, can of beans, some bacon, and some bay leaves. Might need some salt later on, we'll see. So, that's it. That was some rice's dinner. Yeah, cooking is that simple. It's that easy. You can do it. You can make very interesting ethnic dishes in a matter of minutes. Well, this is going to need to cook for a little while. I got to bring that up to a boil, and, well, not exactly a boil, but just let it cook. You'll know when the bacon's done. You'll know when the onions are done. It'll all be nice and soft and wonderful. So, that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.